Hey everybody, and welcome. In this video we are going to be comparing AutoGPT versus AgentGPT versus AutoGen, or you can also say we have Synth OS. So you can see we are going to be comparing these. And if you talk about the specs, we got core features like visual builder, and for that you can see we don't have that on AgentGPT. We have various other features as well: human AI interaction, agent work scheduler. We talk about most of these are not available on AgentGPT but are on Smith OS. And AutoGen also features some of its features, like for example explainability and transparency and human AI interaction. Now visual builder, if you talk about, you can see we have no code options, and other than that the agent gpt does not offer most of these, so that is pretty weird. And now we are going to be jumping to the next part, which is going to be you can see like agent work scheduler, and it is not available on AutoGen. So security point of view, we got constrained alignment and IP control, and below you can see we have none of these available on both agent gpt and AutoGen. So all only available on Smith OS. So yeah, that is going to be considerable. Now if we further go down, we have our components, we have foundation AIs, and both of these are not available on basically on AutoGen, and I'm sorry, Agent GPT, and it is available on AutoGen about the foundation AIs, and both are available on Smith OS. So like considering all these metrics, if you are looking for a reliable um, AI model, then you can go with Smith OS, which is another platform. So yeah, I hope this was clear. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, simply let me know in the comments below.